He's a leader whose dedication, integrity, and vision have shaped not only his company, but an entire industry. A champion of the manufacturer's representative, bringing partners together to collaborate, strategize, and grow. This is why AIMR is proud to present the 2025 Golden Eagle Award to Bob Williams, President of McGuire Manufacturing. With over 2 decades of experience, Bob has built more than a career. He's built a legacy. His journey with McGuire began in 2002 as a regional manager serving the East Coast. From day one, Bob believed success is built on relationships. That belief propelled him through the ranks, from director of sales to vice president and ultimately president in 2016. He's a tireless advocate for our industry, serving on the MCAA's Manufacturing Council, chairing the ASA's Advocacy Council, and contributing meaningfully to AIMR. Bob credits his success to the dedicated team at McGuire, to the trusted rep partners across the country, and to one unwavering support system, his family and wife Tammy. For his leadership, his advocacy, and his dedication to excellence, we are proud to honor Bob Williams.